Good morning. Welcome to Love Always Angie. Today is the first cleaning video that I will be doing in 2020. And as you can see, we are starting in the kitchen. And this is why. Because it's not dirty. It's just cluttered and messy and dusty, and so we're going to get it cleaned up. And I am struggling with a migraine today. It is day 4 of a migraine. These are room darkening curtains. We're going to put those up. I'm not sure if they're going to work. I did not want grommet. I wanted rod pockets, but they sent grommets, so that might make them too short, but we'll put them up and see. But I definitely need to block more of the light that comes in through the patio doors on a bad day because it hits my chair in just the wrong spot. So let's get busy and get things cleaned up. Phil went and got groceries yesterday while I was in bed, and these are just some things that didn't get put away. So I'm setting those on the stairs to go upstairs. And then I'm going to put the Instant Pot away. Our daughter got us an Instant Pot for Christmas, and I made chili, and I can already tell you that I love it. So share below with me your favorite Instant Pot recipes, because I'm really looking forward to trying more things out. The kitchen isn't dirty so much as it's cluttered. Like the Instant Pot was out, the cast iron skillet was out because I wanted to make sure it was fully dry. There's some things that needed to go out to the garbage. The dishwasher was still drying, so there's some dishes in the sink that I want to hand wash, things like that. Once I'm done with the dishes, I'm going to put some soap, some dish soap, and some hot water straight down in that pipe in the drain, because we wash our dishes in the sink, we thaw food in the sink, we put dirty dishes in the sink, and everything that sticks to your sink sticks to your drain and the pipes. So by running some hot soapy water down there every time I do the dishes, I'm washing away all that gunk so I don't get any odors coming back up through the drain of the sink. Now I'm going to clean the backsplash and the countertops with the Glass Plus. It's a very mild odor, so it doesn't really bother me when I have a migraine, but it does a really great job of cleaning and shining the tile and the quartz countertops. Okay, now let's try to hang up these curtains and see if they're going to work on the patio doors. I want them to go from wall to wall, and I want them to be long enough to go all the way to the floor. So with the grommets, I'm not sure they'll be long enough, but let's put them up and see what we think. The clip rings that were holding the shears up would not slide over the end of the pole, and rather than take the entire pole apart, I just unscrewed the ends and slid them off the ends from that way. I set all 3 chairs up because I knew I wanted to go back and forth and make sure that the edges of the curtains were hung in the right place so that they gathered not only when they were shut but also when they were open, and that's easier than climbing up and down and up and down. So that's a little trick for you. If you got to span a wide area, just put 2 or 3 chairs in a row so you can just step from chair to chair rather than climbing up and down and up and down. Okay guys, here's what the kitchen looks now. I love the new drapes. I love that they go with the floor. They match the wood. They match the wood on the sign. They match the colors of the countertop. And I love that they block so much light. I didn't think they were going to be long enough with the grommets, but they are. They're perfectly fine. So happy with those. Kitchen is all cleaned up. This is not normally how I spend a Sunday morning, but the kitchen needed to be cleaned up quite badly. You can see it took me just a little over an hour. It doesn't normally take me an hour to clean this kitchen. It's pretty small, but today is a migraine day, so moving slow, lots of breaks, lots of rest. The floor is not mopped. The sink is clean. It's not quite dry, but it's clean. And the backsplash is clean. I love this soap dispenser, you guys. Hand soap, kitchen soap, dish soap, I should say. And the sponge sits in the back. I love, love, love that. And I love that it hangs over the edge enough that I can still use it to put soap into the sink itself. The floor is not swept or vacuumed because I just can't handle the noise right now. I'll have Phil do that later on this afternoon, but Kitchen is clean. 2020, starting off with a clean kitchen and light blocking draperies. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, leave me some comments. We'll talk soon.